President Donald Trump and Germany's representative said that they have now struck a deal that would cut the cost of some drugs needed for in vitro fertilization in exchange for protection from future tariffs. Take a look.
Fertility treatments like IVF could soon become more affordable for some U.S. patients. That's after President Donald Trump announced a deal with German drug maker Merck. Under the agreement, the firm will lower the cost of certain IVF drugs in exchange for protection from future U.S. tariffs.
We're here today to announce a historic victory for American women, mothers, and families. For countless millions of Americans, prices are going way down, way down.
Trump also says Merck has agreed to price all new drugs in the U.S. the same as in other developed countries, a move he says could help bring down the costs for American patients. Under the agreement, Merck's U.S. arm EMD Serono will slash the cost of 3 key IVF drugs by up to 84% when used together. The company will sell them directly to consumers through a new website called Trump RX starting early next year. Merck also plans to fast-track approval for a new IVF drug called Pergoveris, using a special FDA program that cuts review times from up to a year to just a couple of months. The deal also includes a promise from Merck to shift more of its drug production to the U.S., aligning with the administration's push to bring manufacturing home.
And they'll bring a significant portion of their drug manufacturing back to the United States. So they're going to bring it largely back into the United States. And that's for a lot of reasons, maybe most importantly because of the tariffs, because if they do it here, there are no tariffs.
The White House says the deal could save families around $2,200 per IVF cycle, with treatments typically costing between $12,000 to $25,000. The administration is also expanding access to fertility care through insurance, with companies permitted to offer standalone fertility coverage as part of its employee benefits. Officials say small businesses can offer the coverage separately, but there's no mandate and no government subsidies.
This is a new fertility benefit option that employers can immediately offer to their employees starting today, similar to how dental, vision, and life insurance are currently offered.
Merck joins Pfizer and AstraZeneca in offering discounts for lower-income Americans through Medicaid in exchange for tariff relief.